Hey guys, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to go over 2 ways to make a starting ring for your amigurumi. When making amigurumi, you'll work out in a continuous spiral, which is also known as crocheting in the round. And to begin any amigurumi pattern, you'll first need to make the starting ring of stitches. Okay, so here I have some worsted weight yarn and a 4mm crochet hook, and I've got my slip knot made and on my hook, and we're ready to do the chain 2 method. And as this method implies, we're first going to make 2 chains like this, and then we're going to make 6 single crochet stitches into that second chain from the hook. So I'm going to insert my hook into that second chain, yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over again, pull it on through, and there I have my first single crochet stitch. Now I'm going to make 5 more all into that same second chain space. So I'm going to insert my hook back into that second chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, and there we have our second single crochet stitch. There's 3. 4. And 5. And that's 6. And there we have our starting circle using the chain 2 method. So the second method I'm going to show you is known as the magic ring. And to start, we're going to take the tail end of the yarn, and we're going to lay it across the front of our hand, and then we're going to wrap it around the back of our first 3 fingers, and then cross it over the tail end of the yarn, forming an X. We're going to hold it in place using our thumb like this, and then take our crochet hook. We're going to slide it underneath that first leg of the X and grab the working end of the yarn and bring it under. And we're going to twist the hook around, and we're going to form a little loop around the crochet hook, just like so. And then we're going to grab the working yarn again and pull it on through that little loop that we have, just like that. And there we formed a little slip knot around a ring of yarn. So here you can see we have the ring of yarn, there's the tail end of the yarn and the working end and the slip knot that connects them all. And you can pull out the slip knot to tighten it a little bit, just like this. Adjust as needed. So next we're going to make 6 single crochet stitches going through the ring and overlapping the tail end of the yarn. Now when I do this, I like to hold on to the ring and the tail end of the yarn between my forefinger and my thumb, like this. And then I use the rest of my fingers to hold on to the working end of the yarn. So we're going to insert our hook through the ring and make sure it goes under the tail end of the yarn. We're going to pull up a loop like so, yarn over and pull it through both loops, and there we've made our first single crochet stitch. You see how it overlaps the ring and the tail end of the yarn. I'm going to make 5 more single crochet stitches. So going through the ring, pull up a loop, and there we've made our second single crochet stitch. Here's number 3. Four. 5. And 6. Okay, you can see that our 6 single crochet stitches form a row that go over the ring of yarn and the tail end of the yarn. And to finish up the ring, all you have to do is pull on the tail end until you tighten the loop of yarn and pull all the stitches together. Just like this. And there we have our magic ring. So here you can see both methods side by side, and as you notice, the chain 2 circle has a larger center opening. However, some might find the magic ring to be harder to start. Either way, I hope you guys found this helpful in figuring out which method works best for you and your projects. And don't forget to check out my other videos on amigurumi basics and crochet tips. I'll see you guys in the next video.